Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to remove the ear cup now. First, unplug the headset and lay it flat so movement is controlled. You should grip the ear cup edge with your thumb near the seam and pull outward at about a 45 degrees angle. This relieves tension. Once you see a small gap at the top, use gentle finger pressure to pry the clip free while supporting the headband. This prevents stressing the internal wiring and keeps the plastic tabs from snapping. You'll now separate the inner ring and check the wiring. Once the seam is open, rotate the ear cup slightly and expose the inner retaining ring. This often has small plastic hooks. You should press each hook inward with a fingernail or thin prying tool while pulling the cup away. If you find a wiring plug to the driver, press the release tab and slide it out. Do not tug the wires directly. Taking it slow prevents connector damage and keeps the speaker intact. Finish by checking alignment and snapping the cup back on. You should line up the tabs, then press evenly around the ring until each clip engages. Hear a consistent series of clicks. If a clip resists, inspect for debris or a misaligned tab and realign before forcing. If plastic is stiff, warm it briefly with your hands or a hairdryer at low distance to make it more pliable, then retry. This reduces crack risk. If persistent, stop and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.